Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever felt like you were trying to catch up on something at once? Like a race where everyone else started 5 minutes earlier? That's exactly what happens when we fall behind in our studies or skills. But here is the good news. With the right mindset and smart strategies, catching up is not just possible. It can be your greatest comeback story. Today, we're going to learn some powerful phrasal verbs that people use every single day in conversations, exams, and real life situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand them, but you'll also be able to use them confidently like native speakers. Now, read the dialogues and guess what phrasal verbs in bold mean. Then write them next to the definitions A to H. Feel free to pause this video to think about the definitions. Skip the ones you do not know. Well, A, yes, good. This is brush up on. When you quickly improve your skills or skill or knowledge of something you have already learned but partly forgotten. This is the way you brush up on. Brush up on. To convey a message clearly is to put across. Put across. To understand or realize something is to catch on. Catch on. To succeed in doing something but with difficulty is to scrape through. Scrape through. To succeed in a test or exam very easily is to sail through. To look at or read something carefully for a long time is to pour over. Pour over. To leave school or university without finishing your studies is to drop out of. Drop out of. This is of. To improve so as to reach the same level as somebody or something else is to catch up. Catch up. Concentrate on the difference between catch up and catch on. Big difference. Now you have some time to read the note. Collocations. Collocations. The verb is collocate. Collocations are natural combinations of words that native speakers often use together. They sound right together in English. For example, we don't say do a decision. We say make a decision. Another example is take a cold. Never say take a cold. We say catch a cold. Catch a cold. This is an example of collocations. We don't say powerful coffee. We say strong coffee. We don't say do a break. we say take a break. Now you have some time to find out or to complete sentences from 1 to 10 with the nouns in the box to form collocations. You can pause to find the answers. Let's check together. Number 1. To gain understanding. Number 2. Paper. This is a compound word. It is an adjective describing word. A 5,000 word paper. It means that this paper contains 5,000 words. Number 3. Findings. Number 4. To avoid plagiarism. Number 5. Acquire knowledge. To acquire knowledge. Receiving is an important part of learning. Receiving feedback. Number 7. The professor extended the deadline. Number 8. I hope for Harry to broaden his horizons. Number 9. Confirming the hypothesis. Grasped the meaning of. Good job. Idioms. What are idioms? Idioms are expressions whose meanings are different from the literal meaning of the individual words. You can't understand them just by translating word for word. You have to learn the whole phrase and its figurative meaning. For example, when we say it's raining cats and dogs, it means it's raining very heavily. Break the ice means to make people feel more comfortable in a new situation. A piece of cake means something that is very easy. Hit the books means to start studying hard. Now you have some time to read sentences from 1 to 8 and guess what the idioms in bold mean. Then match them to the definitions from A to H. Pause the video before showing you the answers. Now check your answers. Look at the words in the box. These words can have several meanings. Complete the sentences with the correct form of these words. Now try to recap what you have just seen on the screen. Number 1. Which courses are you taking this term? Here are the words. The teacher spent the afternoon marking, grading. Number 3. Doing a degree. Number 4. Second degree. Number 5. In a box marked fragile and fragile. Both are English. Fragile, fragile. Number 6. The term. Number 7. Left marks. A high requires a high degree. Everything manufactured by this company is top grade. Top grade. According to the agreement, terms and conditions.